Where is mic, Ray? Is it on only? Online, am I audible? Yes. Good. Good. Good evening, everyone. Good. How are you all? Fine. Great. Good. Awesome. Now, yesterday we
This meeting
discussed,
is being recorded.
yesterday and day before yesterday, we discussed something HTML CSS project. I did one portfolio project, sir. Let me show it to you one more time. Go here, 4 p.m. HTML CSS, open HTML CSS. Now, this is the project which I did yesterday. And I want every one of you start your portfolio, especially today, or if you started already, that would be great for me. And I gave you deadline, which is Monday. By Monday, try to make your website something looks unique, creative, okay, and also responsive. Like in mobile phones, I mostly your websites I will open in mobile phones. So it should be good. Someone is asking me, how can we fix the menu so that when we scroll down, the menu stays top? Position fixed. Position fixed. Okay, you can try that. Now, this is where it comes so good. Like people are asking features, sir, like I wanted to put this kind of thing, how to do. That will be good thing. So that you will learn. But yesterday I got to know that some people don't even know, like in online, how to connect the HTML and CSS also. That would be bad. So try to learn basic things, ma. Yesterday, if you understand yesterday and day before yesterday project, if you can able to do one portfolio, na, everything you did till now, you can make it justificable. If you can't do that, if you can't do whatever the projects which we did, it will be difficult for you. Today, I'm going to teach you something new, which is Bootstrap anyway. But still, I want every one of you to do your project something so good. Is this clear, ma? Your projects represents you so that you will get your job. So make your project something good. Good, sir. Now let's start today's class. The Bootstrap. For HTML, I created a HTML folder. For CSS, I created a CSS folder. Now I am going to put here something like Bootstrap. If I go here, Bootstrap 1, let me start here. Now, sir, I forgot how to put this button horizontally about skills. I didn't understand your question. Now, let's start intro. Intro.txt. Now, let's start the introduction, sir. If you learn and if you listen clearly, na, Bootstrap will not take it more than 1 hour. This is the most easiest one, Bootstrap one. Bootstrap is a library. Bootstrap library, is a library of CSS, which is used for responsive UI. Responsive UI. Now, what does it mean by library, sir? Library means Imagine I can't write whole code. Some of my friend wrote it code like for button means something, for anchor tag means something, for heading means something. Someone, my friend, wrote it one CSS file, and I take their CSS file and attach it to my code, and I can use it. Similarly, someone else, somewhere far away, some person wrote one code, and I am using that code into my project. That is called library. Library means, library means, library means pre-written code, pre-written code for a specific purpose. For a specific purpose. Like, for example, let me give you an example. Example, something, you know, file.html, file.css. One file is there. In file.css, I'm writing this. Dekho. .x background color, red. .y background color, blue. Understand it? Someone wrote this particular CSS. Do you have any doubt in this CSS, ma? Do you guys have any doubt in this CSS? What is this CSS mean? If you have a class name X, what you will get background color? If you have a class name Y, what you will have a background color? Blue. Someone already write this CSS, sir. Now that guy gave their CSS to you. Now you want one button is there. I have one button now. Button have. I have it in HTML. I have HTML. In HTML, I have a button. Can anyone tell me for this button, click me, I want background color, red color. Can anyone tell me how to do that? Can anyone tell me how to put red color background for this button? No. I am asking, you have one CSS file, right? Already you have CSS now? Someone are, see, online people are going genius. They are thinking about HTML. देखो ये HTML heading है, छोड़ दो. Imagine only this is HTML file. Imagine this is CSS file. And you are not giving any CSS. Online one person write it, good logic, correct. Imagine my friend gave me one CSS. Inside that CSS, .x means background color red. If I want my button also background color red, what I will do is, all I have to do, class name as, this is reverse approach. Earlier, how you did, you used to give class name, then you used to write CSS. Now you are having CSS and you are giving that class name in the HTML. Are you getting my point, ma? Exact ulta. Already CSS is there. Now you are giving class name in HTML so that you will get it. Are you all getting my point? One more time. Someone already built one simple file. In that file, X means background color red, Y means background color blue. And you have one code in that button is click me. Can anyone tell me how to make this button background color blue? Class? If I give class Y, what will happen automatically? Background color blue. How did you get that thought? Because you see this CSS. But did you write this CSS? No. In my example, someone gave this to me. Got it? So some people, somewhere they will write the code. Bootstrap people wrote it whole bootstrap. Bootstrap people whole bootstrap. They write the whole code. And I will see their code and I will try to put the same code into my website. Are you getting my point, sir? While implementing, you will understand it. Now, how to connect any library? How to connect any library? How to connect any library? every library will have CDN link. CDN link. CDN means content delivery network. What is CDN means? Content delivery network. Okay. Content delivery network. Now, portfolio project is already there in GitHub. You can take it. Content delivery network. Every library will have a CDN link. Copy and paste it in your HTML. That is what I'm doing it now. Okay. Like now, I told you one more time, I'm repeating what I told. Bootstrap means one library. Bootstrap means pre-written code. Library means that means already someone write Bootstrap code na. Sir, if they give me direct file, sir, I will write it link CSS. I will attach it. But this guy cannot give it each and every person na. Imagine you wanted to share one file. I wanted to share one file to everyone. I wanted to share my GitHub to everyone. I can't give it directly files. So I will put it in one GitHub. I will give you one link na. Right or not? Similarly, every library, when they wanted to share people, they cannot give it directly to people. They will put it in one website, which is called CDN. What is that called? In CDN website, they will put it, and that is content delivery network site. In that, they will keep it. The CDN people will create one link and they will give you that. Okay, can we check that, sir? Go here. Type it here. Bootstrap, 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 official website. The official website is Bootstrap, getbootstrap.com. Can you see this first website name? Getbootstrap.com. Bootstrap, the most popular HTML, CSS, JS library in the world. Go here. Can everyone see Docsma here? Now, what is the first thing I went? Bootstrap. In getbootstrap.com, where do you have to go, ma? Docs. Docs. Go to Docs. Can you see left side introduction, ma? Left side introduction. Click here, introduction. Now, they are telling you step by step. Now you read it. If you have time, I like you to read it. They are telling create a new index.html file in your project. Yes, I added now already. Now I have this HTML file now. Right, I already have it, sir. Go down. They are telling include Bootstrap, CSS and JS. Place the link in the head and place the script in the body before closing body. Okay, go, sir. Can you see, sir? CDN link is there. Can you see CDN link is there, ma? Sir, I want to see what is there inside this. Can you see so much code is there? CSS code. So much code is there. Did I write this much code, sir? Who wrote it? Bootstrap. Who wrote it? Bootstrap people wrote one code and they put it inside this link, right or not? Bootstrap people wrote it one code and CSS code and they put inside this link. I know that inside this link code is there. I will copy this link and I will go here. I will go to my website. Let's create one website. Index.html. Index.html. And exclamation enter. Write it here. Link. You will write link CSS na? Write it. Now earlier what is href? Style dot. अभी रिमूव करो ये लिखो क्यों सर उसके अंदर लिंक है ये लिंक के अंदर css है ना normally sir you will write style.css because inside style.css your css is there but now I want bootstrap css that is inside this link only na any doubts ma If you don't want to do this, you can directly copy it also. If you go here, you can copy this whole line. You can copy it and paste it in your website also. Nothing will happen. Any doubts, ma? Online, is it clear, sir? Online, is it clear, ma? One more time. Go here, sir. First, exclamation, enter. Go to website, Bootstrap. Go to the Bootstrap website. Where I have to go, ma, everyone? What I have to click, ma? Good. Now I have to go down. Now, see here link. Can you see this? Can you see this line, sir? Copy this line, sir. Go here. Paste it this line, sir. Don't worry about, sir, what is this integrity and all. There are some certificates. Like whenever you post inside this CDN, the CDN people will tell it like something, each one alag alag certificate. So if you don't want to remove करो कुछ नहीं होता. Link relation मालूम है ना? HREF मालूम है ना? बराबर. इसमें कोई डाउट है सर? How to connect Bootstrap into your project? Does anyone have any questions now? No. Connect हो गया. उसके बाद अभी फिर रिपीट करूंगी. What is library? Library means people write pre-written code. Someone already write one code. Now I will show you how this code will work. Go live. Nothing is there. Now go here. Let me put it here. Nicely I will do. I will, everyone see this. H1. Link once. Deco, link I will give you. If you want it like online, you can take this link and you can connect it. Go to the Bootstrap website, you will have the link directly. Okay. Now, H1, hello world. Everywhere you will write it hello world only na first. Deco. Can you see hello world came? It is not coming correctly. Now, in earlier example, sir, डॉट एक्स बोले तो बैकग्राउंड कलर रेड दे दिया, डॉट वाई बोले तो बैकग्राउंड कलर ब्लू दे दिया. Similarly, these people also write so much code, na? Right or not? I will write some nice logic. Let me write it. Class name, text. Everyone see. Text center. Can you see what happened, sir? Text became. Normally, how to put center, bolo? In CSS, you have to write text align center. But if you go to this website, na, in this Bootstrap, see, they wrote this much code, na? In this code, text center. See, they write it already. Dot text center bole to text align center, they already write CSS. They write it like dot text center bole to text align center. हमको वो मालूम है. हमको वो मालूम है तो क्लास नेम टेक्स्ट सेंटर दे दिए तो टेक्स्ट अलाइन सेंटर वो लिख दिया. तो उसके लिए हम क्लास नेम टेक्स्ट सेंटर दे दिया. तो वो टेक्स्ट अलाइन सेंटर दोनों सेम है ना? आर यू गेटिंग माय पॉइंट, मा? This is the beauty of library. Library means you will not write any code now. Already those people write it. Now you will use it. Without writing media queries, you can do whole website now. Let me make it more. Let's make it somewhat more interesting. Go here. Go here. Text. Primary. Can you see? Something colors change. I can do something like button. Click me. One button came. And I will give button class. BTN, BTN, BTN primary. See, understand it. I did not tell you what are the class names. I will tell you one by one by one. Don't worry. But whenever I'm giving just the class name, are you observing CSS is applying? वो class name you will learn slowly. But ये समझो, when I give class name, CSS is applying because you are giving class name and you are giving it one library. Inside that library, for that class name, already CSS is written. That is what called library means. Library means pre-written code. What does it mean? Very good. Online, is it clear, Ma, till now? Someone is asking nice questions. How do we exactly know what is the class name? I will tell you. That is what we will learn. So bootstrap learn bole to what you will learn? You will learn class names only. You will not learn anything new coding here. You will learn class name. क्या चीज को क्या class name use करना है? I will tell you. Is this clear, my everyone? Online, is it clear, sir? Yeah. Bootstrap nothing but learning class names. No, Bootstrap is nothing but library. You will learn class name to use that. Okay. Don't do that. Sir, can we avoid CSS file completely? No. हर each library को एक purpose रहता. If you see my definition of library, library is a pre-written code used for a specific purpose. I told. Bootstrap का purpose ये है अच्छा से दिखाना, responsive code देना. Bootstrap main purpose is nice looking website with responsive code. But Bootstrap cannot do animation. Bootstrap cannot do transitions. If you want some nice transition, sir, Bootstrap नहीं देता हो, तुम करना है CSS पर. हमको एक एनिमेशन चाहिए तो वो CSS पर तुम खुद से करना है. बट नो सर, आई डोंट वांट एनी एनिमेशन, एनी ट्रांजिशन. हमको अच्छा वेबसाइट चाहिए तो बूटस्ट्रैप में करता. विदाउट इवन टचिंग सिंगल CSS फाइल यू कैन डू इट. Are you getting my point, ma, online? I hope online are also getting it. Let's do it. Okay. Let's delete this all. Let's learn class names one by one by one. First one. Go here. How to connect it? Any library. Every library will have CDN link and copy and paste it in your HTML head. Okay. Now, here I am copy pasting it CDN link for Bootstrap. CDN link for Bootstrap. You can directly copy it from here so that you can do it. Okay. Now, next. Next. Let's start. Learn CSS. We can use CSS in .css file. Obviously, in Bootstrap also .css only. देखो. Any CSS. Bootstrap is also CSS only, na? Everything is CSS only. But it's like someone. See, understand. It's like some friend of you wrote it complete CSS for all buttons and all. Where code you are using it, but he will also write it in .css only, na? No. Now, good. Now, first, let's start here, sir. Let's see all the topics which are there in the CSS, sir. First one, in Bootstrap. 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 Utilities. Utilities. Bootstrap utilities. For every program you are doing it in Bootstrap, you have to give that link. Okay. Utilities. What does it mean by utilities? Utilities are the basic features. Basic features or properties of CSS. Bootstrap can do so many things in that basic properties. First, box model. CSS starts with box model, na? इधर भी same है. Padding. For padding, you will use something called class names P. P means padding. P means you can give P0, P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. Maximum size is 5. Maximum size is 5. Sir, what are this means? Padding 0, P1 बोले तो 0.25 em, P2 बोले तो 0.75 em. Like that, each one different EMs. Okay, but remember, total 5 units they will have. P1 थोड़ा padding, P2 और बड़ा, P3 और बड़ा, P4 और बड़ा. Sir, I don't want that. I want padding 100 pixel. Bootstrap नहीं देता, तुम करना है CSS पर. Bootstrap खाली 5 paddings देता. P1, P2, P3, P4, P5. If you give padding, it will come padding all sides. You know that, na? Padding top aata, padding left aata, padding top right, everything it will come. But no, sir, I want it only top. PT. Again, PT0, PT1, PT5. See, देखो 5 बोले तो एक यूनिट है, अंडरस्टैंड इट. 5 बोले तो नॉट 5 पिक्सल. P बोले तो पैडिंग, P5 बोले तो थोड़ा पैडिंग. इट्स लाइक 3 EM, आई थिंक एक्चुअली. 5 बोले तो नियरली 3 EM आता है साइज. नाउ PT बोले तो पैडिंग टॉप. If you want padding top, what you will do, sir? PT. If you want PB, PB बोले तो padding P for left. What do you think, sir? PL. No, that is wrong. Until Bootstrap 4 na, L means left. But in Bootstrap 5, they changed it. Now current version of Bootstrap is Bootstrap 5. In Bootstrap, left is called as start. Left is called as, right is called as end. Right is called as, that is why instead of PL, they call it as PS. What do you call it as, sir? Padding start. उसका मीनिंग है padding left. PE, padding end. Indirectly padding right. If I want top and bottom, sir, PY, y-axis, top and bottom. If I want left and right, sir, PX. If you try to do it one by one, you will get it. It's not a big deal. Same thing for margin. Sir, if I wanted to do for margin, PY means padding top, padding bottom. PY बोले तो y-axis. PX बोले तो x-axis, left and right. Now margin, M0, M1, M2, same thing, M3, M4, M5. Now, if you want margin top, margin bottom, margin left, margin right, sorry, margin left, margin right, margin top and bottom, margin left and right. Or what if I wanted border? You can use border 0, border 1, 0 to 5, sir, total. You can use border 0 to 5, border 5, border 5. Online again, someone is asking what is MSME. MS बोले तो margin start. Start means left. ME बोले तो margin end. End बोले तो right. Are you getting my point, sir? If you want border, sir, you will give border like this. You can give border color, sir. I wanted to give border red color, green color. You can give colors also. I will tell you colors in future. Don't worry. Till now, any doubts, sir? No. Bootstrap will not take it like whatever the pixel you want. Bootstrap have fixed sizes, 0 to 5 kind of thing. No, automatically they will not take. You have to specify. Huh? Uh, Some sections it will take automatically. Some sections it will automatically take, some sections don't. Okay, I will tell you now. Next, if you want it like now, again online people are going with what is T and B. T bole to top, B bole to bottom. Okay, if you wanted to use Bootstrap, ma, so many see people are thinking like so many class names. No, interesting point is these class names are nothing but CSS only. If you are using CSS, you have to remember all these properties, na. No, Kali same properties. If you give it in directly in the name, you will get it Bootstrap. If you can do CSS, you can do Bootstrap also. It's not like buttifying something. It's like automatically it will use in the flow. T bole to top sir. Now you can give border dash color name. You can give colors. I will tell you color. I will give you colors names. Don't worry. And you can give border border radius if you want. If you want border radius, first thing in CSS is always box model. If you want border radius, you can give something called rounded. The more you give rounded, it will become it will become the border radius. Rounded 0, rounded 1, rounded 2, something like that, and so on 5. Rounded 5. ME boleto margin end. This is array. So many times I told Ray. MS boleto margin start. ME boleto margin end. Online, is it clear, ma? This all? Online, is it clear, sir? This all? I will apply it. If you want exact, see, someone asked me exact 50% radius. Bootstrap nahi deta. Ali, whatever it gives, you can use it. It's like, see, some of your friend write one something dot X red color, dot Y blue color. No, I wanted green color. वो नहीं दिखा. खाली वो क्या लिखा तुम यूज करो, नहीं तो तुम लिखो कुछ नहीं. Are you getting my point, sir? Whatever Bootstrap wrote, those things we can give. If Bootstrap did not write it, you do it on your own. That is a simple logic. Now let me start it, sir. Same thing. Let me try it, sir, here. P2 bole to RAM of something 1.25 RAM something will come, sir. Now, just apply the CDN link, ma, everyone. How to remember exactly Bootstrap class names? You can remember Bootstrap class names if you remember CSS. In CSS तुमको याद हुआ ना padding, तो Bootstrap names भी याद होता P. Okay, आराम से आता if you practice. Let me give here H2 class name H2 hello world. I will give something called hello world. Can you see here hello world came? Online, any doubts, sir, till now? Online, anyone have doubts, sir, till now? No. Now focus here. I am giving class names. First class name. Class name. Border. First give border. So I want border. If you see light border is coming. But I want it like border color black. Or border black. Can you see border, sir? Can you see border? No. Online CDN link, you can copy it from internet, sir. If you type it Bootstrap CDN, you will get it, sir, directly. Now, okay. Let's give it here more. I will give here something called margin. Margin, M. Margin M2. That means left side, top, right side, bottom. All sides you got it margin. Na? If I give MX, only left and right you will get margin. You can see it. Top and bottom, no margin. I will give higher margin, sir. This is the maximum margin Bootstrap will give. Left and right margin came. Top and bottom, any margin, sir? No. Online, someone wants border to be dashed. You can write it border dashed. Why it is not working? Dashed. We'll see it. Border dashed, you can work it on. Why border dashed is not coming? MX here. Border black. MX 5. Now MY5. That means top down. Instead of writing MX and MY, you can directly write M only. Top, left, right, bottom. Acha hai. Sir, I wanted something like rounded. Go here, rounded. Rounded bole to border radius. Round. Can you see that it's thoda rounded ho gaya? I wanted more rounded. Rounded, rounded. 5. More rounded ho gaya. Now inside that, I wanted thoda padding. P, padding left side. Padding left side. Can anyone tell me what is padding left side? PS, PS 4 or 5 कुछ भी left side आ गया. If I want padding top, PT 5. This is my created. Did I created any style.css ma? Did I created any style.css, sir? No. Without style.css, you can do this. Any doubts in this, sir? Online, any doubts in this, sir? No. To keep it text in the center, you will use text center. Text center. See, if you see, there are so many properties in the CSS. Instead of discussing one, if we will discuss anyway main ones. But sir, I wanted this property, you wanted this property. Check it. You go to Bootstrap official documentation, हर each property को क्या है उसमें रहता. Okay, what we will call text center. वो text center में आ गया. Text को decoration चाहिए. Text decoration. I can write it here. Decoration. Underline. Text को decoration आ गया underline. Are you getting my point, sir? Is it clear, ma? Now online, are you all getting my point, sir? Sir, to get it process quicker, in VS Code, there is one extension. I will tell you one extension name. Please note it down, that extension name. I will tell you one extension name. If you have this extension name, automatically class names will come. But this one is for just suggestion one. I'm not asking you to, not use, not remembering kind of thing. Go for it. Use it more and more, so you will habituate with it. If you type it here, what is that name is something I have. Class names, something. IntelliSense. Yeah, this is the one. Let me put it full screen. IntelliSense for CSS class names. IntelliSense for CSS class names. IntelliSense for CSS class names. If you have this extension, what will happen, I will tell you. Sometimes it will not work nicely. In that cases, I will just uninstall it. Now restart. Can you see this, sir? I didn't have this extension. Can I install it one more time? Install. Now you go to index.html. Now you try to do this. Now if you go here, now you go here, btn. Can you see this? Whatever all the things are coming. Can you see class names are coming, ma? And those class names are coming because you need to write that with that extension. If that extension is there, it will come. Okay. Now let's do it. Whole thing, whatever you did, you can do it one more time, sir. Extension name is class names IntelliSense for CSS class names. Now you go here. Now let me restart. Okay, go live chal gaya. That is the problem, I think. Now can you see anything is there, ma? Can we build it one more time, ma? Am I writing any CSS, sir? No. Who wrote the CSS? Bootstrap. Now you attached the Bootstrap using CD and link. Using? Very good. Now in Bootstrap already they used one class name. They wrote it like P bole to padding, M bole to margin, H bole to height, W bole to width. So हमको वो मालूम है. वो लिख दिया P बोले तो padding मालूम है हमको. तो वो यूज कर रहा है इधर. Class names. So class names दे दो. Here. First class name. I wanted border. So I will write it here something called border. You can see here something, some suggestions will come. Border, space, border, 2 pixel, border. You can have it like different borders are here. Now go here, borders. Now border black, border black. Next, padding. No, margin, na? Margin 5 and padding T. बोले तो padding top 3. Padding yes. बोले तो padding start. And I want rounded. Rounded. बोले तो curvature. I want round more. Rounded 5. And I wanted something text to be center. Text. See, you don't need to remember anything. वो नाम से आता है ना, तो हमको चाहिए वो जस्टिफाई सेंटर. तो जस्टिफाई टाइप करे तो उसका क्लास नेम्स आता. तो वो क्लास नेम में if you see it now, you will understand. Class names, they will imagine, they are not putting any class names, Prasad, Jyoti, something kind of, they are not putting. They will put relative names only. Are you getting my point, ma? You can easily guess. Text center बोले तो वो text center में आता. Simple. Now text को decoration देना है. Text decoration underline. So someone in the online asked me, what if I want dashed one? There is no class only for that. I want a dashed border, no class. So how do you do that, sir? CSS लिखना है. I want wavy border. CSS लिखना है. Whatever they gave it, only we use it. Is this clear, ma? Now underline or what more we wrote it my earlier? This much only. Any other thing we wrote it? That's it, ma. Very good. Now, does anyone have any questions? How did I do that? Anyone have any questions, sir? No questions, na? Can I move forward, ma? Good. Next one, sir. Learn slowly more and more, sir. Go here, another one. In CSS, in CSS file, we have to make it important, right? Because inline CSS has more priority. Yes, you have to make it important, right? Correct. And Bootstrap provides colors. Bootstrap provides 8 colors. Bootstrap, sir, whatever color I want, pink color, sir, Bootstrap will not give you. Bootstrap को 8 colors है, खाली वो colors देता. So what colors Bootstrap will give you? 8 colors. I will tell you colors names. I will give you colors names. Primary. First we will see use them and then we will see it. Color names are primary, secondary, success, danger, primary, secondary, success, danger, Then next, hmm? Warning, warning, info, dark, light. Total, total 8 color names they will give you. What are they? Primary, secondary, success, danger, warning, info, dark, light. So वो कलर्स क्या है सर? लेट मी गो हियर. हमको ये कलर को टेक्स्ट को प्राइमरी में कन्वर्ट करूंगी. टेक्स्ट प्राइमरी, टेक्स्ट प्राइमरी. Can you see what is the color of primary, sir? What is the color of primary? Blue. I will give one button, sir. Button, button, click me. Every button will have class name BTN. BTN बोले तो button. Now, BTN primary, button primary. Now, what is the primary one? Very good. What if, sir, I use the same thing, another button. This time I will give secondary, sir. See, by experiment you will learn easily. What is secondary means? What is secondary means? Very good. Third one, success. Can anyone guess what can be success? Green. Correct. Success is green. Sir, if I give BG success, background success hota. If I give text success hota. Are you getting my point, sir? Okay, border success, border text success color mein aata. Or next one, danger. Obviously, everyone knows danger, red. देखो, did I give background color, border radius? नहीं, कुछ भी नहीं दे दिया, तो वो ऑटोमेटिकली बन जाता. Next, background here, BTN uh, info, sky blue. Sky blue is info. Next, warning, orange. Yellow. Warning is yellow. Next, dark. Dark बोले तो black बराबर. Next, light बोले तो sir, you can even call BTN black, you can even call BTN white. Black and white can be directly written also. Abhishek, try BTN body. There is no BTN body. See, focus on color names. Focus on, can we put broader radius in these buttons? You can put it anything. देखो, can we put it border radius rounded? You can put it whatever you like. Because they gave it na rounded. Rounded 5. Rounded 5. Can you see this? Are you getting my point, sir? Someone asked me, can it do in default flux? अरे बटन inline element है, वो flex में नहीं है. बटन inline element है, तो उसके लिए वो आ गया ऐसा. There is no flux here. No. क्लास को जाओ. क्लास बॉडी, बॉडी को बीजी, बीजी ब्लैक. क्लास को बीजी प्राइमरी. क्लास को बीजी प्राइमरी सपल. सपल बोले तो थोड़ा लाइट प्राइमरी. Primary only, उसमें थोड़ा light 0.5%. Are you getting my point, sir? You can put text, border, kuch bhi, but only 8 colors are possible. The colors are primary, secondary, success, danger, info, warning, light, dark. Can I change it on my own? Yeah, because it's your own CSS. Na? If you wanted to change it your own CSS, you can make it. But I'm not recommending this. But if you want it like, I am saying it like BTN primary bole to change its background color to pink. I am giving it here important. BTN primary change हुआ ना क्योंकि ये तुम्हारा कोड है. You can change it. But originally BTN primary बोले तो blue. You can change your code whenever you wanted. Okay. But original code is blue. Is this clear, ma? Online, is this clear till now? Online, is this clear till now? Now go here. More. Let's write it here. Primary blue. Primary blue. Secondary gray. Success green. Danger red. Warning yellow. Info sky blue. They are not, see, they are not exact colors. It's like sky yellow bole to it's not exact yellow. Kind of, you know that, right? Okay. If you see that they are not bright red, they are not bright yellow. Okay. They are kind of now dark black. So white. Next. Using Bootstrap, you can give different elements. For example, if you want font sizes, to make them bigger, you can give FS1. FS1 is the largest size. FS1 is the largest size. Font size 1. Then font size 2. Like H1, H2, H3, H4, H5, H6. They call it as FS1, FS2, FS3, and so on, FS6. FS6 is the chota one, FS1 is the bada one. Now, everything comes in EM and REMs only. Okay. Nothing comes with a pixel. They already wrote that. If you wanted to see, if you right click and inspect na, you can see the Bootstrap ka code actually here. If you right click and inspect, you can see whatever the code they wrote it. You can see that whatever the variables they used, how much they gave everything, you can see that code here. See, font weight, line height. I did not mention kuch bhi. I did not said it like this. Font size. Dekho. Did I said anything? No. Background color. I just give border black. They only write it something like border black, RGB, where and all. Are you getting my point, sir? It's like their own logics. I did not mention anything. They have their own. Rounded bole to border radius, everything they own. Text primary bole to background color, this. Everything they wrote it. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Good. Next. You can give display as D. Display is defined as D. Like for example, display block, D block, display inline, D inline. You don't need to remember that. That's a simple logic. If someone showed you D nanna, you don't need to think much. Display If I give D none बोले तो वो display none वो चल जाता simple. Oh, sir, what if I wanted to put flux? याद हुआ flux? If you wanted to put two elements in flux, what you will do? You will take one container. Imagine two elements you want side by side. You will take them in a container. You will use display flux. But for flux, you can do it everything here only. Display flux, deflux. If you want gap, you can have gap 0 to gap 6. Oh, sorry, gap 5. Same where everywhere you will have 0 to 5 mostly. And you can use something like justify content, justify content, justify content center. You can put justify content center, justify content evenly, justify content space between bole to between. You can put it here, justify content between. Here you can put it evenly, you can put it here evenly, you can put it here center, you can put it around. Are you getting my point, ma? Left, start, right, and everything you can keep it, sir, here. Same thing, align items, align items, align dash items. These are class names, sir, whatever I'm telling it. These are just class names. Once you know all class names now, you can build a whole website only. Anyway, I will build one more project, one more website, and using the Bootstrap. Mostly I will not use CSS. Okay. Now align items, same. Align items left, align items right, align items center, align items start, or align items end. Whatever in CSS I told properties, same properties. हमको float चाहिए सर, float दे दो, float. Simple. If you give float na, it will like to make it float. Or sir, position चाहिए, position. Okay, you will have position, absolute, position, relative, position, relative, position, sticky, etc. Someone asked me, you tell me answer. Sir, what if I wanted to add my own choice of background color? Is it possible, sir? No. If you wanted to add your own background color, write it your own CSS. Okay. Sir, I want background color image. वो नहीं देता bootstrap. Bootstrap क्या देता? 6 colors. No, it will give you 8 colors. So you use 8 colors. That's it. So हमको padding 100 पिक्सल चाहिए, हमको margin 200 पिक्सल चाहिए, हमको height बड़ा चाहिए, हमको big font चाहिए. वो पूरा bootstrap नहीं देता. CSS करना पड़ता. Bootstrap will give you basic things. Okay. Is this clear, ma? Do not other color provide. No, it will not provide. Whatever colors it gave me in the code. See, it's like already someone wrote how many colors the one person can wrote. They wrote some colors, whatever they want. Now, if you want any new color, na, you try to give it your own if you have other CSS. If you have CSS, then what is use of Bootstrap? If you have already CSS, na, Bootstrap will make your work lesser. Bootstrap will make your work less. Second point, because Bootstrap will give you why most people use Bootstrap is here. See this. When I see this particular code na, here itself I will understand. Iska border 2 pixel, iska border black, iska margin 5, it's padding top. Everything I will understand by seeing HTML only. In our earlier, people write it like other CSS. Now, if I wanted to know hello world, why it is coming like that, I have to go to CSS and check it, how it is coming. But now everything in that line only I can see, na, kind of inline CSS that makes your work more easy. Okay. It will make your work more easy. It's not replacement of CSS. Understand this. That's what most people think it is. Because imagine I did not teach you CSS. If I'm directly teaching Bootstrap, will you get it all? No. Because you know that padding means, you know margin means, now you are understanding easily. Are you getting my point, ma? CSS still use karna. So whatever they gave it, use that. It's like an advantage. Bootstrap is not a replacement. I hope online everyone got it. Now, next. Good. Next one. What more properties we have discussed? We discussed grid. Grid will have a separate story. I will tell you. Mm, uh, any other? Yeah. Let's start with container. Bootstrap will use these things. They are very important. Containers. Bootstrap will give you container. Container is used for boxes with container is used for boxes with margin auto with margin auto. Container is used for boxes with margin auto, sir. I will tell you what is it. Container fluid fluid is the box without margin auto margin auto. And image fluid, if you give, it will exactly fit the image. If you give one div, inside that if you give image, and if you put that image fluid, it will exactly fit that particular one. Image fluid, adjust image to parent. These are something strange names. Any doubts, ma? No. Slowly understand it. One more time we'll do chota practice, and after that we'll come to the second thing. These all are first things, understanding utilities in the Bootstrap. You need to understand in Bootstrap something called Bootstrap, structure. Once you understand Bootstrap column structure, you can able to do UI design. Like without, how do you media queries will come here? I will tell you. Now let's go here. First, simple design. Go here. I'm just taking one div, div, div को एक class दे दो. Border, border, border 3, border success, border success, and border margin. No need of margin. You can say it like something like container. Can you see when I give container left and right some space came? Okay, you can't see that. I need to put this particular one H25. Okay, H height is not working. Let me give padding 5. Can you see this box, ma? Can you see this box? Can you see this box is coming left and right margin? That is coming with container. By default, container is not having any kind of margin. Any particular div, you will not give margin. If you don't want margin, you can also say it like container fluid, which will not give any margin, basically. By default, everything is container fluid here. But if you give it here container, automatically that box will come in the center of the page, which will come with the left and right, only left and right, not top and bottom. That comes with the same property as margin auto. Okay. Now that is container. What is it? Container. Now I will give it here something margin y-axis, margin y 5, margin y 5. If you see, I did not put anything inside the box. Any doubts? Online, any doubts? No. Go here. Div, div. Online, someone is having doubt with what is border success, border green success. What is my5? Someone is asking. Margin y-axis. Y-axis bole to top and bottom. Top and good. Div asterisk div here. Div I will give. Inside this div class, I will give here. In this class, I will give padding 5. Something bada. Now I will give it here border danger. Cursor is not working. Border danger. Now you need to give first border. You should tell it like I'm giving border, then only it will work. Now border danger is coming. One div came na. Border danger. Now after this, I will give here adding 3 is enough actually. Now next one. Same div, I will create another one. Bolo, how many divs are there inside this box? I want these divs side by side. How do you put them? Display flux to the parent. So parent को जाओ. Display flux कर. See, side by side आ गया. Doubts? No. Now after this, if I say flux direction, flux column हो जाता. Flux row हो जाता. Flux row reverse, flux column reverse. So don't think about that Excel and all. I will tell you. The next one is that only. Don't worry. We will discuss those things. Now flux row, flux column, or flux row reverse, flux column reverse. Anyway, by default, what is the direction, sir, for flux? Row. That's why row came. Now justify content. Can you see this, sir? Justify content around. By default, we will get it not directly. Justify content around bole to justify content space around. Justify content between bole to space between. Justify content center bole to center. No. We will understand it easily. Now, align items चाहिए तो align, see align content है. हमको align items चाहिए. Center, y axis पर center. हमको दोनों का gap चाहिए. Gap. इतना easy है करना. Are you getting my points, sir, online? Till now, anyone have any doubts? Basic utilities of, CSS, Bootstrap? I don't think so. Just try it. Just try to put it random names. Like we have one extension. Extension name is IntelliSense per CSS class names. All the designs we have to give it in class. Yeah, you have to give. In CSS class, in class, you are giving one class name. For that class name, they already write CSS. So that's why that CSS is coming. If I give class name Prasad, will anything will happen? No. Because Bootstrap वो नहीं दे दिया. Are you getting my point, sir? Okay. Online, are you all getting it? Good. Next. Next one. Second one to understand. Total three things you should understand in Bootstrap mainly. To understand Bootstrap, three things you should understand. First one, utilities. First one, utilities. हो गया. Second one, Bootstrap layout. Bootstrap, ध्यान से देखो. Layout भी easy है. Okay? ध्यान से देखना. Bootstrap divides. No, Bootstrap always, always, always takes grid structure or grid layout with 12 columns, 12 columns per row. By default, Bootstrap will think 12 columns per row. How many columns, ma? 12 columns. This is the major important thing. That means if you wanted to take any kind of row of elements, you can able to put it here in Bootstrap using 12. By default, 12 will be there. You can able to change it also. Now we will get it here. 12. So, rows are represented with, rows have class name, row. What is the rows class name? Columns have class name, call. Columns have class name, call, or call some number. I will tell you number. Just note down this, then we will do it like something nice project here. Is it clear, ma? Can we do more? Now, let's start here. Let's put it the full pages. For this, you need full pages. Take it up here. If you want it like, something like more kind of detail, you can even go to that particular website, Bootstrap website. You can even read it there. I highly recommend every time, whenever you are learning something library, ma, go to that official website and read it. Don't just by heart it. Why? In Bootstrap 4, I told you like BL and BR we used to use. Now they changed it to BS and BE. What if, sir, tomorrow Bootstrap people changed their class names? It will change it for you, na? So you have to check their official website. You should not think it like whatever you want it. Now, okay, go here, sir. Go here. Till now we have not used images, na? I will use images also so that you will get a better idea. Okay, ma? Now let me put it all in a comment. What is this? Array? Something is happening there. Okay, let me put it myself only comment. Why today mouse is not working? Now go down. Everything comment kar diya. Now everyone see this, sir. Guys, see this. Div dot container. Everyone see this online also. One container is there. Container bole to it will come in center, right or not? Yes, sir. Good. Now in this center, sir, and I will put it here one div row. Div row. That means I want row of elements. Inside one row, I am creating it here div dot call 3. How many columns I'm keeping it here? Inside one row, inside one container, which is coming in middle, one row I created. In one row, how many columns I'm creating? Actually, in Bootstrap, how many I told it will be there? If imagine 12 columns land is there. You are saying it like divide this into 3 only. Now each part, how many columns will come? Very good. How many it will come? Very good. Very good, sir. Now let me put it here lorem. First I will try with lorem 1, lorem 20, lorem 20. So 3 paragraphs are there. Each one is one column. If you go and see it here, sir, each one comes with side by side. Can you see it like they are coming side by side? So total how many columns are there? 3 columns. Originally how many? So each one how much it took? Doubt? Doubt, sir? No. What if I give 2 call? Only 2 columns will come na? Each one 6 and 6. Half and half. Now, sir, imagine. Now, I will give you one logic. Think and tell me what will happen. Call 8, call 2, call 2. Anyone guess वो क्या होता? Any guess, sir? First 8 will take. First one will be 8 columns. Second one will be. Third one will be. So third one and fourth one will be chota na? First one, but I will give you colors also, so that borders I will give. You guys can able to identify border danger data, so that you can see it. I don't think in sky blue danger will come, but still. So bootstrap automatically layout देता directly. देखो इतना easy है. Any doubts? और एक बार. Colon 6 colon 3 colon 3. Any guess what will happen now? First one will be 6 columns. Second one will be. Third one will be. So which one is bigger? So it will take half of the space. Right or not? Remaining half of the space, second one and third one will split. See it here. If you understand this, na, next I will make it like same thing. Now 3 columns are coming it here in the large device. In chota device, I want it like 2 columns or chota columns. I will do media queries also in this. But I want you to understand it perfectly. Any doubts here? If you want equally distribution, na, you put it call equally distribute hota. Now, sir, what if you give more than that? ये देखो 6 दे दिया. Now, what is the first column? 6. Half आ गया. What is second one? 3. छोटा आ गया. Now, what is third one? Will that fit in that the remaining 3 ma? No. Because per row only 12. It will not fit in the third chota one. So it will come in the next line. See? Are you getting my point, sir? This is layout. That means Bootstrap will tell you if you wanted to arrange elements, by default if you put call, वो columns आता. By default if you put row, वो row बन जाता. But row को 12 columns लगता. That's what they told. Any doubt, sir? If I don't put this container also कुछ नहीं होता. It will become full row. Okay. Just experiment. सर हमको वो चाहिए, ये चाहिए, करो, कुछ भी नंबर्स डालो उधर, एक्सपेरिमेंट करो. नाउ लास्ट वन, think about it. I will give you now one more, and you guys tell me what will happen. Call 12, call 12, call 12. Anyone tell me what will happen now? Three rows will come. Why? Call 12 bole to first one will become pura 12 columns ka. Then again no space is there. So second one, next second line, next line. So pura 12 columns ka. Then third one, next line. So it will become like this. So you also guessed it like this na. That's it. So that's why I told Bootstrap will follow. Bootstrap always take grid layout. You can't write, sir, can I write a display grid in Bootstrap? No, it's not possible. Bootstrap display grid directly नहीं देता क्योंकि Bootstrap internally grid है. Everything you write in Bootstrap is grid. If you mention row, the grid will be activated and the grid will contain 12 columns, but you can specify how many columns you want. It will divide it accordingly. Any doubts here? No? Rows will have row and columns will have column. Sir, can I give instead of paragraph images? Yes. So here, img, I will put one image. Let's go here. Let's write it here. Chan. Let's go here. Let's take it here. Let's go here. Let's open it up. Let's copy. Let's post it. One row is having 12 columns, correct? Why this image is not coming? Oh, this is encrypted one. It's not. Oh, it's coming. Okay, I thought it will not come. Good. Now, same thing I will copy paste it in for 3 times, sir. Control C. Control V. Control V. Now, instead of 12, sir, let me give it here 4, 4, 4. Anyone guess what will happen? 4, 4, 4 means? Yeah, they will come side by side, na? Equal. Now, go here. But image is shorter. They adjusted the height, but width is not sufficient. Okay. Now, next. Next. So, if I give it here 6, so automatically वो पूरा 6 हुआ, another 4 हुआ, remaining gap, it will come next. How to fit exactly images? See, image automatically fit हो जाता. You don't need to worry. Image actually fitted. You think I took that small image? No, actually image is bigger. The image automatically fits. Okay. Here, only height fits. Width is bigger, na? So image will not be dragged for that. Okay. Background image नहीं देता bootstrap. bootstrap background image नहीं देता. Background image चाहिए तो तुम करना है. Background color देता. वो भी वो 8 colors है. Okay. Now, next one. If you want to adjust the height of the images and all, you can even adjust the height of the images. Class width 100, width 100 percentage, or width 25 percentage. Like that, you can able to give width, height, whatever you wanted. Okay. Now you can even say images fluid. If the image is exactly able to fit, it will go here. Image fluid. It's not going here. So image thumbnail, is it working? No, it's exactly fitting the height, but it's not, it cannot able to fit the width. Now, even normal images, you can't do that, sir. Normal images also you can't put it with that. You have to give specifically with how much width you want. 200 or something kind of drag one. Next. Next. Till now, any doubts are there? Till now, any doubts are there? No. Sir, now I'm going to put some more number of columns and I will write it something called responsive design. Let's go here. Third one in CS in Bootstrap. Third one. If you understand this now, Bootstrap, you can able to do it, which we will do it tomorrow, the project. Bootstrap, Bootstrap, breakpoints, Bootstrap, breakpoints, Bootstrap, breakpoints. Bootstrap provides breakpoints. Bootstrap provides breakpoints, breakpoints. Bootstrap provides breakpoints for different devices, for different devices. We can use breakpoints to adjust. We can use breakpoints to adjust layout. We can use breakpoints to adjust layout for different devices without media queries. You don't need to write it at the rate media queries. Here you can able to do it. Bootstrap follows mobile first approach. What does Bootstrap follows, ma? Mobile first approach. Bootstrap follows mobile first approach. Bootstrap follows mobile first approach. That means first thing whatever you do will be for mobiles. Now, sir, let's see what are the breakpoints, sir. If you go to Bootstrap official website, which is getbootstrap.com, left side docs, if you go down, you can see something called breakpoints. If you go down, breakpoints, sir, can you see here breakpoints, ma? Let me show it to you, everyone, the breakpoint. We will use this breakpoint so that you can also understand it. I will save it in the desktop, Naresh Shetty, 4 p.m. Bootstrap, breakpoints. हो गया. Now, everyone देखो sir. Everyone see this. We have total 5 breakpoints. SM बोले तो small. SM बोले तो small will start from 576 pixel. Small will starts from 576 pixel. देखो here. वो किधर से शुरू हो रहा है? 576 pixel here. Next. MD बोले तो medium. Medium will start from 768 pixels. Medium devices will start from 768 pixels. That means small will be from 576 to 767. Medium will start from 768 to, sir, that means if I said in Bootstrap MD devices को display none करो, That means any devices which starts from 768 it will be display none. Remaining devices को display none करता. Okay, so only whatever the breakpoint you said, only from that it will do. Next, 992 LG बोले तो large will start from 992. Large will starts from good. It will 992 से शुरू होता. Next, XL, extra large. Extra large will start from 1200. Extra large will starts from, and sir, mobile phones will come under this less than 576. Did I put any class prefix here? If you don't put anything, that is comes under mobile. It comes under the mobiles. That is why I told you, if you see mobile first design, that means mobile को first करता. Is this clear ma? Now sir, what does it mean? देख लूंगी. Now इधर जाओ. Here, same code. I will write it here. I will write it here. Something like 4, 2, 2, 2. Copy 1, 2, 3. Now, can you go here, sir? Go to my website. Can you see 6 images came? Can you see 6 images came, ma? Now you go here. Online. Are you all clear, ma, till now? Online, are you all clear till now? Are you there online? Yeah. Focus here. This one step, if you understand, your React journey is almost over. Sorry, your Bootstrap journey is almost over. And that doesn't mean Bootstrap is over. I will teach you something called project. You will do. Now go here anyway. Go to the top. Now first thing, did I give any breakpoints my here? First thing, always remember, if you are giving without breakpoints, you should give it for mobile. In mobile, how you want it, sir? Imagine if I inspect in mobile, how do you want it? I wanted per row one image, na? In mobile, how you want it, sir? Per row, one image. Sir, I will say it like per mobile, I want one image. So, per mobile, it will be 12, 12, 12, 12, 12. Fast, right? Is it fast, ma? Yes? Now, see, one more time I'm telling it to you if you are feeling fast. One more time, dekho. Whatever you give without any breakpoint, here 5 breakpoints are there. SM, MD, LG, XL, double XL. If you specify these points, it will work for those points. If you are not specifying these points, imagine you are giving directly. देखो, हमको मोबाइल में कैसा चाहिए? I will go here, right click, inspect करो. मोबाइल में कैसा चाहिए हमको? 111 चाहिए. पर रो को खाली 1 चाहिए. Right or not? So, मोबाइल में हमको रो को 1 चाहिए. So, I will give here call 12. First one will be call. Second one will be call 12. Third one will be call 12. Fourth one will be call 12. That means each one is one row, sir. In which devices? Because you did not specify any breakpoint. You did not specify any. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear, ma? Now देखो, in mobile, it is coming one after the another. कोई doubt नहीं. उसके बाद, mobile के बाद क्या device आता? Mobile के what will come, sir? नहीं. You are thinking tab. You should think it here. इधर देखो. None के बाद क्या हुआ? Small. What it came, sir? Small. Small will start from 500 and 76. Sir, I will write it for if anyone comes small. देखो if कोई small को आ गया तो call SM 6. That means small को आ गया तो एक कॉलम का width 6 करो. 6 करे तो क्या होता? 2 कॉलम्स आ जाता ना. 6 करे तो half हो जाता. Did you get it, ma? Total is 12. So if you put 6, what will happen? Half. Sir, same thing, sir. If you come to small devices, make it 6. Sir, where the small devices will start? Can you tell me where the small devices will start? Now you go here. अभी 3 से 395 है तो थोड़ा इंक्रीज करेंगे 576 70. Can you see? When I come 576, you know what happened? 2 columns came, 6 and 6. Can we do it for all, sir? See, when I go for mobile na, it is normal. When I go for here, it is bigger. How? I told, normally mobile में, if you did not give anything means mobile. Normally mobile में 12 columns को equal करो. But when you are coming to small device ना, 6 columns को equal करो. 6 columns बोले तो पूरा 12 है तो वो आधा होता. That's why first I told you layout. Are you all getting my point, ma? Online, are you all getting my point? If you understand this one now, almost you will understand everything. And if you don't understand this one now, you will not get it. Simple. Call SM 6. Call SM 6. 6. Call SM 6. Sir, not only size, sir. Not only size. You can change it actually anything. You can change it anything according to the breakpoint. You can change it anything according to the breakpoint. For example, someone asked me, sir, can I change it border color? Yes. देखो, originally border color क्या है? What is the original border color? Danger. Danger बोले तो red. Sir, I want it like if they come to small devices ना, I want their border to be green, sir. पहला मोबाइल में क्या हुआ है border color? Red. When they come to small devices, what I want? Can I do that? Yes. So कैसा करना है sir? Border SM success. Is it coming SS success? No. So border color is not working then. You can change it anything. Why border color is not working with this? Border danger. So border SM. Okay, border को units नहीं दे दिया वो. They did not write it only then. Whatever they wrote it, for example, display, you can change it. Padding. Initially, I will put some padding, sir. I will put here padding top 5. By default, padding top is 5. You can see that. But when I come to bigger device, sir, smaller SM device, I will say padding smaller device को 0 कर. So when it got to SM device ना, padding इधर 0 होता. But if I go to mobile ना, padding है. इधर padding नहीं है. You can give it, sir. Sir, should we need to write it for each div, each media query? Yes. Each div you have to write. Only you don't need to write it for @media queries and all shit. Okay. You can able to specify it here. Now, sir, understand it. Here to show you, I am writing SM, MD, LG and all. But in real time, na, your website, if it is breaking in LG, you only do it in LG. Yesterday, when I did project, I did not change it for everything. I changed it 870 and 490. Why? Because there only my website is breaking. Are you getting my point, sir? Now, go here, sir. Next, everyone. Now tell me what it will do. call LG. I'm not writing MD, but sir, is it necessary? No need. LG 4. LG 4. Anyone guess what will happen? Anyone guess what will happen? 3 columns will come. If you give 4 na, so total 12. So 4, 4, 4. What will happen? 3 columns. Sir, these projects will help you to create it something for your portfolio in your job. 100%. Now next, call LG4. Call LG4. Call LG4. What will happen, sir? Now you go dekho. In mobile phone, this is how it is looking. But when I go to medium, this is how it is looking. When do the large will start, ma? No, when the large will start? Go here slowly, 992 ko. 992, 992, 992. Oh shit. 990. Can you see when 992 came, what happened? 3 columns. Any doubts, sir? Online, any doubts, ma? Online, any doubts? Is it clear online? Using this, you can actually make it the whole site, sir. Okay. When you are creating on your own, thoda confusion hota. I want you to do it how much slow I am doing it. Do it slowly. पहला mobile करो. Slowly do it for small another device. Don't write it directly. Did I write it everything directly in there? No. First mobile को लिख दिया. उसके बाद और एक div. पहला divs create कर दिया. ऐसा one by one step करो. Now देखो. See, when I go for this device, okay sir, large देखो. Excel में I want it like each one call 2 2. Each one call. Can anyone tell me how many will come? 2 2 means 2 बोले तो total 12 है ना? So 6 will become 1 only. So call cell 2. If you understand this, almost you can able to do bootstrap anything. Because bootstrap का main purpose है अच्छा से दिखाना and responsive code लिखाना. Anything you write it should make it in a responsive way. You can do that. Now you go, sir. Barabar. Where the Excel will start, sir? 1200. So let me go to 1200, sir. Can you see this? Now, sir, is my site is responsive? Yes, my site is responsive, sir. Right or not? This is only na responsive बोले तो हर each device का अलग अलग दिखाना. And my site do that. But did I write any media queries, ma? Did I write any CSS, ma? No. And that is what I want you to try. Online, is it clear, ma? Online, is it clear? Now, today's task, everyone, today's task is try it any simple, same like how I created. Try it some boxes in a row in different layout. I want you to use Bootstrap today. I want you to put Bootstrap and print some blocks and make it responsive. Like in mobile 1 1 card, and again in bigger devices 2 2 or 3 3 or 4 4, your logic. Something acha nice responsive images print karo. So that if you know that tomorrow when I explain project, it will be easy for you. It won't be like array again new and all. No. Just to try it. Is this clear, ma? Online, I hope it's clear. Okay. Bootstrap is just a library, sir. It's not something new technology. CSS use करके वो छोटा library है. बहुत libraries है Bootstrap के तरह. Tailwind is also same thing. If anyone wants to see anything called a Tailwind CSS, something is there. Exactly same. If you see website called Tailwind CSS, But Tailwind, you won't use it directly in JavaScript. You will use it in React. Tailwind. If you go to Tailwind CSS, and they will show you directly. Dekho. They are telling you clearly. If you give class name rounded, if you give class equals to text to Excel, 2 times Excel, text आता. देखो. You give font medium, you will get font color. Can you see that, sir? See, it's like class names. If you are giving, automatically style is coming. But why people prefer Tailwind is Tailwind, any color is possible with Tailwind. Any animation is possible. Any transition is possible. Tailwind को सबको करता. Bootstrap खाली limited है Bootstrap को. Okay, that's the difference, sir. Yeah. Online any doubts, ma? No. Offline anyone have doubts, sir? That's it for today. Thank you all. If कोई doubt है तो पूछो ma. Online any doubts, sir? Better write, easy to write it in Bootstrap. Yes, we will write it in Bootstrap only, ma. React is also library. That is JavaScript ka library. Library JavaScript. Same like this. Instead of writing big JavaScript, jQuery थोड़ा simple में लिखता. Sir, nav list item, how can we media query in one menu item? See, nav list items will be a list, ULLI, and this LI they will write it in something called display flux, and those display flux they will put it in media query flux colon. Simple. Tailwind versus Bootstrap, which is better? It depends, sir. Bootstrap will give you components. Tomorrow you will understand power of Bootstrap. Tomorrow I will show you like more benefits with Bootstrap. Then you will understand Bootstrap ka power. Can we use Tailwind standalone like Bootstrap? No, you can't use it. You can't use it. You can use it with Angular. Yes. Tailwind you can use it with Angular. Bootstrap also you can use it with Angular. But Bootstrap alone can come. Like, you know, just Bootstrap is coming now. Tailwind just CDN link, it will not come. Bootstrap is coming with one CDN link. Tailwind cannot come like that. It have so many files. Yeah. That's it for today, ma. Thank you all.